All right, so let me just quickly tell you guys like how do I generate my leads and do all the stuff regarding lead generation to outreach and to automate every other thing using my chat GPT only. Yep, here if you can see that I'll be able to write generate me 10 business development marketers, business development managers email in okay in a product based firm in India. Let's just grab the web. See. Okay, so if you tune your chat GPT to a level that it will be able to generate some good leads, like you can see here, email is not publicly available, and with the same here, and in many more cases, right? So in that case, what best you can do is just tune the chat GPT and ask it to just okay, just generate me, please. Use the commanding words like please. Use the commanding words like can you do me a favor? So it obligates chat GPT to follow your command and gives you much more better results. Okay, so I guess this helps.